Understanding, wear a long face, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, wear a long face. This phrase is used quite frequently in English conversations, and understanding it will definitely add a new dimension to your English skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Wear a long face is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they are wearing a long face, it doesn't mean they are actually wearing anything. Instead, it's a figurative way of saying that someone looks sad or unhappy. The long face part of the phrase visually represents sadness, as people often look down or have a stretched, unhappy expression when they are upset. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, wear a long face, is believed to have originated from the way horses look when they are tired or unhappy, as they have naturally long faces. Over time, this expression started being used for humans to describe their state of sadness or displeasure. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in your daily English. It's typically used to describe someone else's appearance or emotional state. For example, why are you wearing such a long face today? Did something happen? After hearing the bad news, she wore a long face for the rest of the day. Remember, it's a neutral phrase and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. A common mistake learners make is using this phrase to mean wearing something physical. Remember, it's purely metaphorical and only relates to displaying emotions. Also, it's specifically used for sadness or unhappiness, not for other emotions like anger or frustration. And that's a wrap on wear a long face. I hope this video has made the phrase clear and that you feel confident in using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a fun and effective way to sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!